Welcome back to Flat 4, another day at the farm. Got my friends here. So today we're going to be showing you how to make your exhaust pop without a pop crackle tune. So the vehicle I'm going to be using for this video is going to be this 2002 Subaru Impreza WRX. This car is a perfect example for this video because this car has a drive-by cable throttle body versus a drive-by-wire. So there's literally a cable that goes from the throttle pedal to the intake. This is guaranteed to work on any car that has drive-by cable throttle body. If your car is a drive-by-wire, it might do it, it might not do it. We're gonna go grab some fuel. We're a bit empty there. So you're going to want to find the sweet spot on your tachometer. The sweet spot on my car is anywhere between 4,000 and 4,700 RPMs. So when I'm in that area and I lightly tap on the throttle, that's when the exhaust pops. So all you got to do is let go of the throttle, stay in gear, and just lightly tap on your throttle, and you'll hear it pop. Alright, so here we go. I'm in 4th gear now. I'm going to downshift to 3rd. Gonna bring it up to 4,700 RPMs.